Hello and welcome back to Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions, your go-to destination for turning compact spaces into stylish homes. I'm your host Lulu, and today marks a special milestone for us, the 49th episode of our hit series, Cute Small Apartments Creative Design Ideas. In our previous episodes, we've explored over 1600 fabulous design ideas, each one showcasing the potential of modern contemporary small apartments. If you are new here or you've missed some episodes, we highly recommend checking them out. You'll find a wealth of inspiration that could spark the transformation of your own space. Today we are not just adding to that impressive number, we are elevating it. We've curated a selection of design ideas that embody creativity, functionality, and most importantly, the essence of what makes a house a home. These are ideas that resonate with the soul of city living, ideas that understand the heartbeat of compact living. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this visual journey together. And remember, if you love what you see, spread the word, hit that like button, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more creative insights. Let's make every square inch count. Let's start with this design idea. Sure, the apartment in the image looks like a cozy and stylish little heaven. It's got a modern vibe with a comfy sofa, perfect for lounging, a neat dining spot for four, and a sleek kitchen that's ready for some home-cooked meals. Plus, there is a splash of greenery and art that really makes the place feel like home. It's the kind of spot that's just waiting for good times and great memories. Here you can see another small apartment with a charming decor. It has a really inviting vibe. It's got a modern touch with a comfy beach sofa that's perfect for lounging, and a sleek black coffee table that ties the room together. The dining area is just right for enjoying meals, with a stylish wooden table and chic leather chairs. Plus, the kitchen is all set up with the latest appliances and lots of counter space for cooking up a storm. And I love how the plants and wall art add a personal touch to the space. It sounds like a great spot to call home. The apartment in the image has a charming and modern touch. It's an open plan space with a neat kitchen sporting white cabinets and a cute dining area that's perfect for quick meals or morning coffee. The living area is inviting with a comfy beach sofa and a TV for relaxing evenings. Large windows let in plenty of sunlight, making the space feel airy and bright. Plus, a few indoor plants bring a little bit of nature indoors. It's a snug spot that feels just like home. Step now into an apartment that feels like a cozy retreat in the heart of the city. It's a charming space with a modern touch where the white sofa invites you to relax and the blue accents add a splash of cheer. The kitchen Sleek black cabinets are a stylish statement, and the long curtains bring warmth to the sunlit room. It's a small but inviting place that makes clever use of space, perfect for urban living. The apartment in the image is a charming and cozy space with a modern touch. It features an open plan design that seamlessly connects the living area to the dining space. The living area is inviting with a comfy sofa and a flat screen TV, perfect for relaxation. The dining area includes a stylish round table ideal for enjoying meals. Large windows flood the room with natural light and lead to a balcony that offers additional outdoor seating. The decor is tastefully done in neutral tones with a vibrant green accent, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. It's a lovely little heaven that combines style and comfort beautifully. And that's a wrap on the 49th episode of Cute Small Apartment Creative Design Ideas. We hope you found a spark of inspiration in every nook and cranny we explored today. Remember, no space is too small for big dreams, and no apartment too compact for grand ideas. We are here to prove that with a touch of creativity, even the tiniest corners can be transformed into beautiful, functional living spaces. If you enjoyed this episode and want to join us on this continuous journey of discovery and design, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with friends and family, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Your support means the world to us and fuels our passion to bring you more content like this. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite design from today's episode or share your own small apartment triumphs. We love hearing from you, and your insights make our community stronger. Stay tuned for episode 50. It's going to be a special one, and we can't wait to share it with you. Until then, keep designing, keep dreaming, and remember, creativity knows no bounds. Bye!